Hi, in this video I'll be formatting the AllGoods stores worksheet to make the data easier to read and print. I'll follow each instruction step by step. So firstly we have to check the name correctly in the cell B6. And now moving to the stores worksheet, our first instruction is to merge and center A1 to G1. So we are selecting it and merging and center. Yes, done with this. And we have to change the style, font, everything as given in the instructions. So firstly we have changing the style, font, and next font size to 20 and then color to black. I'm just checking 5 in black. Yes, done with this. And here I'm keeping it. Oh shit, this doesn't. So we are again putting the font size into 20 and changing the font. Yes. Now to the black. So now using format painter, we are also changing the font size, and the same things are applied to A2 to G2. Just the font size will be 14. That's it. Yes. Done with this. And now I'm formatting the summary labels by right aligning the text, centering it vertically, making it bold, applying the teal accent color, and adding a light aqua background fill. Now we'll do all these things step by step. Yes, I have right aligned it, and then making it bold enough, choosing the color. Where is it? Yeah, teal is here, but we got it. And now we have to fill the background color also. So that's aqua. Got it. And now we have to unmerge the cell B4 and C4. So clicking on it and then just selecting the unmerge option. Yes, now we have done the unmerged. And now I'm applying the short date format to cell B4. We can clearly see their short date. Yes, clicking on it. Done with this. And our next step, the sixth step, is to copying the same format to the column F from range F4 to F6. Yes, done with this. Now our seventh instruction is to clear the format from the range A7 to G7. So firstly we have to select the range, and using clear format option we have cleared it. Next I am replacing the word repairs with maintenance. There should be 2 replacements. Yes, so for replace, and then I have already wrote the words there, and we have replaced it. Their total maintenance and the column maintenance. Yes. And next now, so we have to, next step is to reduce the decimal places from B. So we have to choose the whole column B and reduce the decimal places to 0. Yes, then click OK, done with that. And now for column C, I'll increase the decimal places to 2 for more precise data. So firstly, I'm selecting the whole column C. And now I am here increasing. Yes, done with this. And our next instruction is to, so here I'm formatting column D as percentages with 2 decimals, and then we have to copy the same format to column E and F. So first I'm selecting the whole column D. And now choosing the percentage and setting the decimals to 2. Yes, it's already there, then clicking OK. Done with this. So now using the format painter, we can do this same for column E and F. Done with this. And our next step, I will add a rule that highlights values below 2% with green fill and dark green text. So firstly, I am choosing the column F, and then going to the conditional formatting, and there I am choosing, yes, less than column. So here I am putting the 2% as instructed, and now changing the color with dark green text, green fill with dark green text. So I'm selecting it. Yes, okay. And also we have to select top 10 items. These are next rule in the same column. So same, going to the conditional formatting. Yeah. So conditional formatting, top and bottom rules, and then top 10 items. Then clicking OK. So we have selected it and done with this step. And next is to, our next instruction is to apply the accounting format to column G. So firstly we have to select the column G from G9 to G61, and then going to the number where we can see, and here you can see accounting, and decimal is 2, and selecting the dollar symbol. Yes, and with this we got it. And next, in cell 4, in cell G4, we have to enter average. So average formula, average of column C, right? So C9 to C60. So here we got the average age. And here comes the next step. So firstly we have to go to the page layout section and print tiles, click on print tiles, and here you have to open the sheet tab and field rows to repeat at top. So there you can type like this as shown and just click enter and once again click OK. So this makes Excel print row 8 at the top of every printed page, so column headers stay visibly across the pages. And next we have to set up the margins. So going to the margins and custom margins, and now here you can customize as the tops, right, left and the bottom. So as shown in the instructions, for the top and bottom we have already put 0.8 and for left and right we have to keep 0.25 inches. And then click OK. Yes, so we have set up the margins and all, and now our final step is to insert like footer text and all. So firstly we have already moved to the insert tab, and here we have to choose the header and footer. Yes, we have chosen it, and then switch the to header and footer tool. Yes, we are already in that page. Now we can find their custom header and also custom footer. So here we have to choose custom footer. So now firstly I'm just checking the custom footer what they gave. So nothing. Okay, now we are moving to the custom footer. Here in the left section we have to write as given, like all goods stores, sorry. Yeah, and at the right section we have to insert the page number in the right section. Yes, so just clicking OK. Next, okay, just clicking OK. So we are done with all the steps, I mean all the instructions given. So just we will just compare it. So go to the print, and there we can find the footer. We have added it, and also page number. So we'll just compare it with the final look. Yes, we are almost done. We are done. So now we are using this print because we can exactly check with that. So we have added the footer there and also along with the page number. So fully we can see it like this. Yes, that's it for today, and